Okay, so there's this limb here, and I didn't, the squirrels evidently jumped off of the limb onto the bird feeder, and then when they were eating all the bird seed, when they climb on the sides of the bird feeder, it throws it, you can see this is empty already, it throws it off balance, and then it feeds like that because of they're heavy on one side, so that, yeah, so the thing to do to prevent this from happening anymore is to cut off that limb. The weight of the squirrels on the bird feeder has also made it crooked again, so I'll put another piece of wood down there in that side to make it look level again, although it would work okay like that. So the thing to do now is to cut off this limb up here. This is a saw that is actually made for cutting lumber. You can see, or trees and branches, you can see it, that it is by the teeth. Those are specially made for branches and wood, and this is called a bow saw. They have this is a 30-inch bow saw. They have longer ones like 36. The longer it is, the better cut you get from going back and forth like that. But for home use, this is fine if you're not cutting firewood. I've got an electric chainsaw, but as a rule of safety, I never use a chainsaw in a tree. With a chainsaw, the thing you have to watch out for is if the blade is rotating like this, gets stuck on a nail or something which might be in the wood, then the saw will buck up like that. So you always have to stand to the side of a chainsaw when you're using it. So you have to be concentrating all the time that you're using power tools like a chainsaw, but I hate even taking a chainsaw on a ladder, so I usually don't. So I'm going to use this bow saw for this right here and just try and cut this limb off. Okay, see how quick that went when you used the right tools? It's hard to believe that this little saw could go through that limb that fast. Now all that remains is getting it out of the tree. Okay, look how thick that limb is, and this bow saw went through it almost like butter. Okay, so now this branch here I'm going to put over on the brush pile for the birds. We probably got them all scared away now. Okay, so that was, let's put some bird seed in here before we go.
It's got a hole in the bottom. It's got a hole in the bottom.
Looks like there's a hole in the bottom.
The squirrels will like that one.
Yeah.
That's what some of the front too.
Okay. We can do that after we finish out here.
Not if you put it all back here.
Well, you want me to save this for the front?
It doesn't matter.
I could do that because we can put this over here to pull the weight of it,
Yeah.
like that. How's that?
Yeah.
And then we'll put the rest of it up front. How's that? Okay. Okay, here is the bird seed. I need to put a stepping stone right here. This is pretty muddy now. Here is the bird seed that was left over from out back. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I was able to make a good video for you that helped you out, and one that was entertaining to watch. And if I was able to do those things, could you please subscribe? I would really appreciate if you'd subscribe to this channel and like this video. And thanks a lot, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.